Hey Art Activate, we're happy to be back. I'm Renee.
And I'm Linda. We are mixed media art journal artists, the collective known as DFW Bookmakers. Thank you so much for letting us share our dream with you again.
Our last 2 years participating with Art Activate has helped us share our love of mixed media art journaling and grow our tribe through the Dallas Public Libraries. Again, we want to say thank you.
And we want to continue building this community of journal makers with the help of Art Activate.
We continue to hear from our participants that they enjoy exploring their creativity and sharing their experiences with each other.
Ebony wrote, "The class was really fun and creative. I will definitely go to another class." Jay wrote, "Wonderful, more than expected." And Kathy wrote, "This class was wonderful, educational, and fun." Shama wrote, I loved learning about the Japanese culture."
Through our 7 ethnic themes, it gave us prompts to learn of each other's backgrounds and common interests. This year, in the Asian theme Mamagami class, we introduced art trading cards, where we had participants create their art trading cards, and then they had to trade them with each other in the class. That was a lot of fun watching the interaction with each other.
We want to continue growing this tribe of journal makers where they can share their stories with each other and their community. This is our creative way to help individuals of diverse backgrounds tell their stories. Throughout our surveys, they also confirmed that while being fun, creative, we also can check the box for mental health.
Carmen wrote, "It was very good, de-stressing, and also to work with your hands." Donna wrote, "Very relaxing, a lot of fun." Tiara wrote, "A refreshing way to spend a Saturday afternoon."
Mixed media art journaling involves using a variety of materials to create a visual and/or written narrative. Our participants can be as creative as they want to be. They can use their journals to tell stories about their lives, their families, their cultures, or anything else that is important to them.
In 2026, we are looking forward to continuing with the 7 cultural themes we presented this summer in our classes, held in the Dallas Public Libraries for underserved neighborhoods in the city of Dallas, free of charge.
We will continue to explore different techniques utilizing a variety of supplies that can be sourced at dollar stores, thrift stores, or recycle bins.
And this year, we added making ephemera. If you want to know more about what that is, we invite you to attend our class in 2026.
We will continue to post tutorials online for the students who are unable to attend our classes in person, as well as those students who just want to review the material at their own pace.
We show examples and guide our participants through the process of creating their unique journals.
Our projects are designed to be simple introductions into the journal making, with all the supplies needed in a kit free of charge.
Hey, Art Activate! Courtney wants to learn how to make the example journal we showed in class. What should we tell her? Hey, thanks Art Activate for a wonderful experience
and an opportunity.